Have you ever considered how powerful your mind really is? Our minds are intricate, potent tools, capable of crafting the trajectory of our lives. They can shape our experiences, influence our decisions, and ultimately determine our overall satisfaction. The mind is like a double-edged sword. It can be our most loyal ally, guiding us through life's challenges with grace and resilience. Or it can morph into a domineering master, dictating our actions with unyielding authority. This power of the mind is neither inherently good nor bad. It's a neutral force that we can harness for our benefit or let run rampant to our detriment. The choice, as always, rests with us. The key to a fulfilling life isn't about avoiding negative thoughts or suppressing them. It's about learning to control them, to master them. Because when we master our thoughts, we master our minds. The key to a fulfilling life lies in learning how to control and master your thoughts, especially the negative ones. Many of us believe that replacing negative thoughts with positive ones is a matter of sheer willpower, but is it really effective? Let's delve into this. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. When we forcefully attempt to swap negative thoughts with positive ones, it often backfires. Think of it as a boomerang. You throw it with all your might, hoping it won't come back, but it swoops around and returns with even more momentum. That's what happens with negative thoughts when we try to suppress or replace them forcefully. They don't just disappear, they return with greater intensity, causing more distress and anxiety. This is the pitfall of forceful replacement. It's a struggle against our own minds, a battle that's tough to win. So, what's the solution? Instead of trying to forcibly remove negative thoughts, a more effective approach is to transform the energy of these thoughts into something positive. Here's a simple 5-step method that can guide you in mastering your mind. Firstly, identify the thoughts that are stealing your peace. Reflect on what disrupts your calm. It could be feelings of anger, jealousy, or even the habit of procrastination. Recognizing these patterns is the first crucial step towards addressing them. Moving on, ask yourself, what am I thinking now? By bringing your awareness to the present moment, this question helps you to step away from past regrets or future worries, focusing instead on your current state of mind. Next, evaluate the thought. Ask yourself, is this thought helpful to me? Often, you'll find that negative thoughts do more harm than good. Recognizing this makes it easier to let them go, allowing you to replace them with thoughts that serve you better. The fourth step is to shift your focus. Ask yourself, what is the best action I can take right now? Instead of dwelling on harmful thoughts, replace them with constructive actions like forgiveness or productivity. Lastly, consider the benefits of positivity. Take some time to reflect on the rewards of cultivating positive habits and thoughts. The more you recognize these benefits, the more motivated you'll be to stay on this positive path. Remember, mastering your mind is not about immediate transformation. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about identifying the thoughts that don't serve you, being present, evaluating your thoughts, taking action, and understanding the power of positivity. Practicing these steps consistently and persistently can lead to lasting change. It's not about perfection, but progress. So start today. Take the reins of your mind and steer it towards positivity and peace. Remember, practicing these steps consistently and persistently can create lasting change. It's not about perfection, but progress. So start today, take the reins of your mind and steer it towards positivity and peace. Mastering your mind may not be easy, but it's definitely worth it. Like a rambunctious stallion, the mind is powerful and majestic. But without the right guidance and control, it can run wild, causing chaos and confusion. Taming this stallion, your mind, is no overnight task. It requires consistency, persistence, and above all, patience. Consistency is the cornerstone of change. Just as a river gradually shapes the landscape through constant flow, consistent practice can reshape your thought patterns, gradually replacing negativity with positivity. It's a process akin to planting a seed and nurturing it daily with water and sunlight until it blossoms into a beautiful flower. Likewise, Nurturing your mind with positive thoughts and actions consistently can help you cultivate a serene inner landscape. Persistence, on the other hand, is the fuel that keeps the engine of change running. It's the refusal to give up when the journey gets tough, the determination to keep going when the finish line seems far away. When negative thoughts try to reclaim their old territory, persistence is what pushes back, reinforcing the new positive boundaries you've set in your mind. But let's not forget patience, the unsung hero in the journey of mastering your mind. Change takes time. Imagine expecting a seed to sprout into a flourishing tree overnight. Sounds absurd, right? Similarly, expecting immediate results in the process of mastering your mind is equally unrealistic. Patience reminds us to respect the process, to understand that growth is gradual and each small step is a victory in itself. The reward of this journey is priceless. Peace. Not the ephemeral peace that comes and goes with circumstances, but a deep, enduring peace that stems from within, unfazed by the storms of life. This peace is the result of mastering your thoughts, of transforming your mind from a chaotic battlefield into a serene sanctuary. Start today and discover the peace that comes from mastering your thoughts. To conclude, the power of your mind is immense and can shape your life in profound ways. We've journeyed through the understanding that our minds can either be our greatest partners or our fiercest adversaries. We've also debunked the myth that replacing negative thoughts with positive ones is a matter of sheer willpower, and instead presented a more effective method. This method is a 5-step process, recognizing the negative patterns, bringing your awareness to the present, evaluating the thought, shifting your focus to constructive actions, and lastly, reflecting on the benefits of positivity. This process is not a quick fix, but a journey of mastering your mind, of transforming the energy of negative thoughts into something positive, and ultimately, of creating a fulfilling life. Remember, you hold the power to master your mind and create a fulfilling life. Start today.